express 0.8 in the form of p by q. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal and write the number you are getting. For denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to write 10. Okay. So now reduce this fraction. To reduce this fraction, what will you do? You need to divide numerator denominator by the common number, which is called factor. So look, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So if you divide 8 by 2, you will get 4. If you divide this 10 by 2, you will get 5. So we are getting what? 4 over 5. Look, 5 equal to 1 times 5. So 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. Since this 5 has two factors, so only two factors, so this is prime number. So the common factor between these two numbers will be just 1. So we can say that this is the reduced form or lowest term.